Are you ready to break into the field of cybersecurity? A strong cover letter can be your golden ticket. Let's explore how to craft one that truly stands out. First, start strong. Open with a clear statement about the job you want and why you fit perfectly. Next, showcase your skills. Highlight your technical expertise, certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, and any hands-on projects. Then, tailor your letter. Use keywords from the job description to align your experience with the role. This shows you've done your homework. Don't forget to quantify results. Use specific numbers to demonstrate your impact. For instance, say, reduced incidents by 20%, instead of just saying you improved security. Professionalism is key. Use a clean format, proofread meticulously, and keep it to one page. Now, let's dive deeper. Cover letters complement your resume by showcasing your personality and communication skills. In cybersecurity, explaining complex topics clearly is vital. Your ability to document incident responses and collaborate effectively is crucial. For format, start with your contact details, the date, and the employer's information. Address the hiring manager by name if possible. Your introduction should grab attention and clearly state the position you're applying for. In the body section, detail your skills, experiences, and accomplishments. Be specific with examples, showing measurable results. Wrap up with a strong closing. Express your interest in an interview and provide your contact information. The way your letter looks matters. Use simple, readable fonts and maintain consistency throughout. After writing, proofread for errors. Clear, error-free writing reflects your professionalism. Tailoring your cover letter to each job posting is crucial. Use the exact keywords from the descriptions. This helps with hiring manager attention and applicant tracking systems. For entry-level positions, leverage academic projects, internships, and practical experiences. For example, if you conducted vulnerability assessments during an internship, showcase that achievement. Using numbers in your statements increases impact. Instead of vague claims, specify achievements with percentages or counts. Lastly, research each company. Personalize your letter to reflect their culture and values. For instance, if they value innovation, mention a project where you've been innovative. In summary, crafting a strong cybersecurity cover letter is straightforward. Start with format, then engage the reader, highlight your qualifications, and tailor it to each opportunity. Are you ready to get started? Pick a job that excites you and draft your cover letter. And hey, don't hesitate to reach out for feedback during your process. With practice and determination, you'll master the art of creating compelling cover letters that help you shine in the competitive cybersecurity field. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey.